What's up, guys? Today I have another project. I'm gonna be installing those scuff plates on my BMW X7. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. So we have a manual for the installation. And this is some miscellaneous charging cable and some wipes. This is actually the light itself. That's for the front. This one for the back. Yeah, let's see how they're working. So they are wireless. They have a charging port, USB-C port. I'm gonna try to open that and show you guys. So that's where the port is, or connector, USB-C connector to charge them. I already charged them, and let's turn it on and see how they're working. To turn it on, I have to hold it, and that's what we get. And so here's the sensor. If I'm gonna put my finger up on the front, it's gonna shut it off. As you guys see, so basically the door is closed, light is off, the door is open, light is on, and we have the modes here that we can change. I'm gonna go through all of them. Yeah, this one's nice. So basically door is closed, door is open, and that's what it does. And for installation, so basically there's a plate right here. I'm gonna try to slide it off. It slides to the side, and what happened is this plate gets glued to the body, to the vehicle. And then for recharging, how to get it out, so we basically just slide out to the side, just like that, and the light can be taken off to recharge. And then when it's done, you can place it back and slide it back in. And of course, there's the different colors here. Or just rainbow colors. And yeah, there is steel like a protection film that can be taken off, and that's how they look like. Yeah, I would say it's pretty good quality. Yeah, I bought it in China, but yeah, it made well, pretty good quality, I would say. Yeah, so let's install them and see how they look like at night. Okay, I just cleaned it up, this area where I'm gonna be gluing this plate. So now I'm gonna peel it off this film. All right. I'm gonna center this one. Now I'm gonna peel off this protection film. And that's how it looks like. Very nice. Very beautiful. Cleans the area. Very easy to do it. Peel the tape, line up, and glue it. Pillar of protection film. Alright guys, let's see how this thing works at night. I like this one. That one. Let's see it. Alright, one more mode. Now the back door.